New at 6, Fairfield tornado victims get some help rebuilding many weeks after that storm, this time from the district attorney's office. Bessemer Cutoff DA Lanice Washington and her staff dropped off supplies to the Maddie Gill housing community. Washington tells us as a public servant, it's her duty to serve those who are hurting.
Yeah, it's a wonderful feeling. It's a wonderful feeling. I've had an opportunity just by being district attorney for the Bessemer Cutoff. I've had many opportunities to sow into the lives of others, and every day I try to do so in a positive way. So when I see a smile from something that I've done or my office has done, is worth everything.
The donations they dropped off today came from the entire district attorney's office.